Hello everyone, and welcome to another Art for Alzheimer's Care project video. Today we are going to be making some Mola-inspired art. So to get started, you'll want to print off one of the templates, and you can use the link in the description to do that. I am using the turtle template to show you how to do this project. After you've printed off the template, go ahead and cut out either the turtle or the bunny. Next, grab a piece of dark background paper. I've chosen black for this, but navy blue works well. Dark green, whatever color you like. And then trace the shape of the turtle or the bunny onto the paper. I'm using a light colored pencil crayon in order to do this. So this one is gray, but it also works with white or yellow. Now for this project I'm going to show you how to do it with watercolor paint. But I also wanted to show you that it's possible to do with tempera paint, and the tempera paint even may look more clear than the watercolor paint. But not everybody has tempera paint on hand, so I just wanted to show you how they compare. So grabbing my palette of watercolor paints, I'm just spritzing them with some water to get the paints started. So at my workstation here you can see I've got the paints, and I've got a little tray of cotton Q-tips and a little jar of water. I'm using the cotton Q-tip as a substitute for a paintbrush. Now you'll want to get the paint to have kind of a thin, almost like a gravy-like consistency in order to get this project going. And as you mix the paint with the Q-tip, you'll see that it forms this flat bottom. Try to get a good shot of it. And you actually want this flat bottom because it'll create those little circles that you dab down onto the paper. Now if you're wondering what a mola is, it's a type of handmade textile art that comes from South America. And it's typically very colorful and very geometric and patterned in style. And because it's a textile art, it's traditionally worn as a piece of clothing, usually a shirt or a skirt. It's woven out of cotton, and it's made out of several layers of different colored cloth that are sewn together. So I've just gone with the same color all the way around the outside, kind of tracing over top of that white line. And then once I've done that, I'll go around the inside with another color and then another color, almost like a repeated pattern. So here's the final product. As you can see, it looks quite colorful, and the colors really show up well against the black background. And then for those of you who are curious, this is what the bunny can look like, and the two of them together. So there you have it, a fun, colorful art project. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.